Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling the exact permissions the recorder needs. Grant microphone and system audio access so the app can capture internal sounds. Next, open the recorder and select internal audio or system mix rather than external mic. This prevents echo and records app sound only. Set sample rate to 44, 1 kHz or 48 kHz, and choose stereo if you need channels separated. Once done, arm the recorder and preview levels so you don't clip when you actually start. Now you route audio correctly. Select the target app output, direct it into the recorder's system mix input, and confirm the track is armed. Adjust gain trim to keep peaks below 0 dB. You want about -6 dB headroom to avoid distortion while preserving dynamic range. Make a quick 10-15 second test recording and watch the on-screen meters for spikes, then tweak app volume or recorder gain as needed. Once levels are stable, you're ready to capture the full session without surprises. When you finish, stop recording and save the session immediately with a clear file name and metadata so you can find it later. Export to WAV or FLAC for highest fidelity, or choose AAC/MP3 if file size matters. Select bitrate accordingly. If you get no internal audio, first confirm permissions, then verify a loopback or virtual audio driver is installed and selected, and lastly check the source app doesn't block system capture. If problems persist, restart the recorder and rerun the 10-15's test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.